The first thing you should do when you're injured in a car accident is assess the situation with your family and with yourself and make sure that you're not in some sort of urgent medical situation. If you are, or if anybody in the family is, then obviously you should call 911 immediately. If you've assessed everything and nobody is in an urgent medical situation, then the next thing that you should do is exchange insurance information with the person who caused the collision, and also call the police and get them out to the scene. Get pictures of the scene, get pictures of your car, get pictures of the person who hit you's car, and when you exchange insurance information, more likely than not you won't have anything to write with. You can take pictures of the insurance card that they show you. So those are really the first things that should be done at the scene of an accident.